Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can use a multi-oscillating tool to make small cuts in wood. So what I'm gonna do, you see this wooden plank and you see there's marking. So I'm gonna make a cut out of this. Now some of you may say that they have other tools, machines and all. But yeah, we're using multi-oscillating tool. How you can do this, that's what I'm gonna show you. Okay. So I have configured the tool, okay. And I have loaded the blade also. It's very important. This is the on off button. If I turn it on, you see it's just oscillating, okay. And here you switch the level, or you can say gear. Right now I have put it on 6, okay. So first thing is here you need to put it on the right mark, okay. And if your blade is new or good, it won't have to push so hard. So if your blade is taking so hard to push down, that means something wrong is with the blade, okay. But yes, your grip should be firm, and I would, because it's going to generate a lot of particles, so I would strongly recommend that put something cover on your eyes so that nothing gets into your eyes, okay. So already ready guys. So first adjust the position, okay, and turn it on. I'm going to continue, then I'm going to show you more. It's almost done on one side. It's still going on guys. I'm sorry guys, but because I'm doing single-handedly, that's why I'm not able to show you good view, but you are getting an idea for sure. Just don't put too much of pressure and make sure the blade moves. That's more important. So finally it is ready. I know it's not exactly the way you would like to see, but I was doing it single-handedly without any precision, lock and position. That's why, but I want to show you that even this can be done. So this, now achieving this with something like a hacksaw is, I don't think it's possible, because then you have to cut hole, right? But using oscillating tool, you can even make the small pieces cut too. So, and of course you need a good quality blade. So that's it guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.